Greetings, Jamaica. This is our Emancipation Week, when we celebrate two significant milestones in our nation's history. Emancipation Day on August the 1st and Independence Day on August the 6th. For a short period after our independence, we stopped celebrating Emancipation Day as a separate holiday. Thankfully, in 1997, Prime Minister P.J. Patterson fittingly re-established Emancipation Day as an official national holiday. Emancipation Day marks the date when the bill for the abolition of slavery came into law and slavery was abolished in Jamaica and the rest of the British Empire. On that day, 311,000 Jamaicans celebrated freedom from the shackles of slavery. However, full freedom did not come until 1838, as in the intervening period, our people were indentured in so-called apprenticeship. Emancipation Day not only marks the occasion of the end of slavery in our country, it also celebrates the heroic resilience of our foreparents who retained their dignity and never lost their determination to be free, and their courage in the unceasing struggle to win their full and unconditional human rights as full citizens of this country. It is a fact that no form of compensation was paid to those who were enslaved, either for the unpaid extraction of their labor or their life in bondage that they endured. The profound negative effects of that period continue to be endured to this day, and the growing calls for reparations remain unyielding but have not yet been answered. To Jamaicans everywhere, in Jamaica and the diaspora, happy Emancipation Day. Celebrate safely as we honor the heroic struggles and achievements of our foreparents. One love, Jamaica. God bless you all.